Good evening, students. Today we will discuss an important chapter of physics, that is kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases was given by scientists Maxwell, Boltzmann, Gibbs, right? Boltzmann and Gibbs. According to this theory, it has got various postulates. You can imagine this is a room or say it is a container having n molecules of gases which are always in a state of random motion. हम एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं जिस कमरे में हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं उसमें भी गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स हमेशा रैंडम मोशन कर रहे हैं और ये जो आप देख रहे हैं 3 डायमेंशनल बॉडी इसमें भी गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स दे आर ऑलवेज इन अ स्टेट ऑफ रैंडम मोशन. These gas molecules have a very small volume as compared to the volume of the container, right? The volume occupied by one molecule is negligible as compared to the volume of the room or container. These gas molecules are always in a state of random motion. They collide with themselves as well as they collide with the container. And these collisions are perfectly elastic. आप लोगों ने collision में already पढ़ा हुआ है. Perfectly elastic collisions are those in which linear momentum as well as kinetic energy is conserved. Gaseous molecule आप देख सकते हैं जैसे एक molecule आया initial velocity u से और टकरा के वापस आ गया, तो जाने की velocity और आने की velocity दोनों opposite है, isn't it? So they exert pressure, they exert force. As we know, force is rate of change of linear momentum, and pressure we know that is equal to force upon area. So these molecules, they exert pressure due to molecular collisions. ये सारी gases pressure exert करती है, and the pressure exerted by the gas molecules is 1/3 rho v bar per square. This v bar is root mean square velocity. Root mean square velocity is also known as RMS velocity, that is given by the under root of mean of the velocities, their square and then under root. This is called root mean square velocity. Rho is the density of gas molecules and this v bar is the root mean square velocity. See, the gas molecules have 3 types of velocities. We can summarize them, we can learn them as RAM. This R stands for root mean square. R का मतलब है root mean square. This A stands for average. And this M stands for most probable. M stands for most probable velocity. So there are 3 types of gas molecules and their order decreases as this root mean square velocity is maximum, then average, and the least is most probable velocity of the gas molecules. So this theory, kinetic molecular theory of gases, was given by Maxwell, Boltzmann, Gibbs. They give the various postulates. The gas molecules collide among themselves as well as they collide with the walls of the container. The collisions are perfectly elastic. Momentum as well as kinetic energy is conserved. Conserve means momentum and kinetic energy before collision is equal to momentum and kinetic energy after collision. Both are conserved. And due to these molecular collisions, they exert pressure. P is equal to 1/3 rho v bar ka whole square. See, all these postulates are based on gas laws. We know there are various gas laws, and gas laws gives the relation between these thermodynamic variables: pressure, volume and temperature. As you know, students, this has been a disturbing year due to corona and all your studies have been suffered. So there is no need to worry. आपको घबराने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है. जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स एनसीईआरटी में उन्हीं को हम लोग एलोबरेट कर रहे हैं और विदाउट पैनिकिंग in all the subjects, not only in physics, in all the subjects आपको अपने basic, क्योंकि this is now the examination time are approaching, you need not to worry, there is no need to panic. जो भी आप लोगों ने पढ़ा है NCERT oriented, उसके concepts को आप लोग एक बार recapitulate करिए, and I'm trying my best to recapitulate all the concepts which you have already studied. P stands for pressure, V is the volume and T is the temperature. They are called thermodynamic variables. Thermodynamic variables means if one of the variable is affected, it affects the other two. Like we can consider an ideal gas taken in a cylinder whose initial pressure is P1, initial volume V1 and initial temperature T1. Right? Due to molecular collisions, गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स के कोलिजन के कारण there will be heat, there will be friction, and due to friction there will be expansion. ये जो piston है, movable piston, ये expand होगा by a distance dx, and now the final pressure will be P2, final volume will be V2, and final temperature will be T2. These are thermodynamic variables. आप देख सकते हैं गैस मॉलिक्यूल्स आपस में कोलिजन कर रहे हैं, रैंडम मोशन हो रहा है, कोलिजन से फ्रिक्शन हो रहा है, और जहां भी फ्रिक्शन होता है वहां पे हीट है, हीट से टेम्परेचर बढ़ा, टेम्परेचर के बढ़ने से देखिए वॉल्यूम बढ़ा और प्रेशर कम हो गया. तो इन गैस लॉज वी स्टडी बिटवीन द टू वेरिएबल्स कीपिंग द थर्ड वेरिएबल एज कांस्टेंट. हम कोई भी दो वेरिएबल्स के बीच में ग्राफ या उनके रिलेशन को स्टैब्लिश करते हैं बाय कीपिंग द थर्ड वेरिएबल एज कांस्टेंट. जैसे मैं सबसे पहला कॉन्सेप्ट इसमें पढ़ता हूं, दैट इज बॉयल्स लॉ. बॉयल्स लॉ इज एप्लीकेबल एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर. जो उसकी कंडीशन है वो कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर पर एनी प्रोसेस व्हिच टेक्स प्लेस एट कांस्टेंट टेम्परेचर इज कॉल्ड आइसोथर्मल. आइसो मींस सेम. देखिए कोई भी वर्ड आप पढ़ते हैं उसके लिटरल मीनिंग को आप हमेशा पढ़िए. यू नो, आइसो मींस सेम, थर्मल मींस टेम्परेचर. एनी प्रोसेस इन व्हिच टेम्परेचर इज कांस्टेंट, दैट इज isothermal. So Boyle's law is applicable for isothermal process. At constant temperature, pressure of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume. Pressure of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume. आप इसको इस सिस्टम से भी कोरिलेट कर सकते हैं. देखिए वॉल्यूम बढ़ रहा है तो प्रेशर कम हो रहा है. पिस्टन जब एक्सपैंड करता है तो उसका प्रेशर, सिस्टम का प्रेशर कम हो रहा है, एंड वी कैन कोरिलेट इट लाइक P is equal to constant upon V, or PV is constant. So P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. We can plot it with the help of graph also. जब भी दो चीजें inversely related हैं, the graph is a rectangular hyperbola. So isothermal process means the process in which the temperature is kept constant. Isothermal process obeys Boyle's law by keeping temperature constant. Pressure of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to volume. आप इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझने के लिए इस डायग्राम को हमेशा अपने माइंड में रखें. इट विल हेल्प यू फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. नाउ वी कम टू सेकंड लॉ. दैट सेकंड लॉ इज चार्ल्स लॉ. सी, चार्ल्स लॉ इज एप्लीकेबल एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. Constant pressure, and any process which takes place at constant pressure is isobaric. Isobaric, whatever you use. Iso means constant, bar is a unit of pressure. So volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to its absolute temperature. आप देख सकते हैं इसी सिस्टम को मैं रेफर कर रहा हूं. हमने टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज किया तो टेम्परेचर के इंक्रीज होने से वॉल्यूम इंक्रीज हो रहा है. मींस volume and temperature are directly proportional at constant temperature. If we remove the sign of proportionality, this V upon T is constant, means V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. Volume is directly proportional to temperature. This is a straight line. See, the important thing is about units also. Volume is always taken in meter cube. While solving numericals, we have to keep the SI system or MKS system. Volume is always taken in meter cube. Temperature is always taken in Kelvin, and pressure is always taken in atmosphere. We know the relation: 1 atmosphere is equal to 1.01 into 10 raised to the power 5 Newton per meter square. That is also Pascal. So while solving numericals, the importance of units cannot be neglected. We should know the units also, the relation between MKS and CGS. Now combining these two gas laws means अगर हम Boyle's law और Charles law को कंबाइन कर रहे हैं तो इन दोनों के कॉम्बिनेशन से जो हमको मिलता है इक्वेशन, दैट इज कंबाइंड गैस लॉ और कंबाइंड गैस इक्वेशन. As according to Boyle's law, volume is inversely proportional to pressure at constant temperature. And according to Charles' law, we have just studied, volume is directly proportional to temperature at constant pressure. If we combine these two equations, volume is directly proportional to P, inversely proportional to P, means PV upon T is constant. PV upon T का ratio constant है. In other words, you can say P1 V1 upon P1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. This is called combined gas equation. It is a form of ideal gas equation. What is ideal gas equation? PV is equal to nRT. Ideal gas is a gas which obeys all the gas laws at all temperature and pressure. जो भी गैस सारे गैस laws को सारे temperature और pressure पे follow करती है, that is called ideal gas. As the word suggests, ideal, there is none. I mean, there is nothing which is ideal in life. So in the same way, the gases are also not ideal. They are real gases. जो हम अपनी डे टू डे लाइफ में gases पढ़ते हैं, वो सारी real gases हैं. तो उसमें deviation, van der Waal equation that we have studied in chemistry also. So students, while studying the gas laws, you should keep this diagram in your mind. No need to cram. ये बहुत system जिसको हम लोग I mean, it is a part of the universe which is under investigation. It may be a open system, it may be a closed system, it may be isolated system. So this is a cylinder having a movable piston. ये piston या तो expand करेगा या compress करेगा. और इसी में एक gas law में, इसी की continuity में, that is called pressure law. Pressure law is also known as Gay-Lussac's law. Pressure law states that is also called Gay-Lussac's law. The pressure of a given mass of a gas, Gay-Lussac's law is also called pressure law. It states that the pressure of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to temperature at constant volume. देखिए हमने इसमें थर्ड वेरिएबल को कांस्टेंट ले लिया. गैस लॉस में आउट ऑफ दीज थ्री थर्मोडायनामिक वेरिएबल्स हम कोई भी एक वेरिएबल को कांस्टेंट ले लेते हैं. व्हेन वॉल्यूम इज टेकन एज कांस्टेंट, दिस इज कॉल्ड आइसोकोरिक, कोरिक और आइसोमेट्रिक. इट इज आल्सो नोन एज आइसोमेट्रिक व्हेन द वॉल्यूम इज कांस्टेंट. एंड यू कैन कोरिलेट इट फ्रॉम द डायग्राम. व्हेन वी इंक्रीज द टेंपरेचर, when we increase the temperature at constant volume. अच्छा, इस सिस्टम का हम वॉल्यूम कैसे कांस्टेंट कर रहे हैं? मैंने यहाँ पे कोई वेट रख दिया. I have kept a weight so as to keep the volume constant. हमने वॉल्यूम को कांस्टेंट रखने के लिए इस पिस्टन में कोई वेट रखा और हम लगातार यहाँ से टेम्परेचर बढ़ा रहे हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर हीटिंग दिस सिस्टम. On heating, the gaseous molecules will undergo collision, friction, and there will be increase of temperature. Increase of temperature is directly proportional to pressure. जितना हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ाएंगे, प्रेशर उतना बढ़ेगा. कब? कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम पे. You can correlate it with the cylinder. जो कुकिंग गैस सिलेंडर है, आप उसको इमेजिन करिए कि हम उसको हीट कर रहे हैं. सिलेंडर का एक फिक्स्ड वॉल्यूम है, हम लगातार उसको हीट कर रहे हैं तो टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज कर रहे हैं. टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज करेंगे तो प्रेशर बढ़ेगा और P अपॉन T का जो रेशियो है दैट इज कांस्टेंट. इन अदर वर्ड्स, P1 upon T1 is equal to P2 upon T2 means pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant volume. तो आज हमने जो बहुत ही बेसिक और फंडामेंटल गैस लॉस पढ़े हैं काइनेटिक थ्योरी में, बॉयल्स लॉ, चार्ल्स लॉ, कंबाइंड गैस इक्वेशन एंड प्रेशर लॉ. प्रेशर लॉ इज आल्सो नोन एज Gay-Lussac's law. So students, I hope this topic is clear to you all. We will discuss the new topic in our new series. Thank you.